Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, you're welcome, and if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Today's video is talking about my top 5 everyday palettes. If you guys want to see what are my top everyday palettes in my collection, then please keep on watching. I pretty much have like 2 neutral palettes, 2 warm tone palettes, and 1 cool tone palette. So if you guys want to see, in no particular order, let's begin with the least expensive eyeshadow, and that would be from Wet n Wild, and that is my Glamour Squad palette. Now, you would have heard me raving about this palette again and again. This palette dupes Anastasia's Soft Glam palette. So if you were eyeing that palette, I mean, this is an absolutely amazing palette for an amazing quality. I have traveled with this palette so many times. I cannot even tell you. I mean, even the quality as well as the pigmentation is absolutely stunning. So I would definitely recommend that. Now, if you guys are not more of a warm tone person, and if you like those yellow mustardy tones, I would also recommend their Call Me Sunshine palette, which is newer in their line. If you guys were eyeing the Urban Decay Honey palette, Naked Honey palette, I mean, this is an absolutely amazing dupe for that. I had duped my honey palette with this palette. If you want to see that video, I will link it in the iCards above. So do check it out. So my first everyday palettes would be these two together because I couldn't choose one. So moving on to the next, this is an absolutely beautiful neutral palette. If you've never tested this out before, I mean, I highly recommend this. And this is from Colourpop, and it is their Going Coconuts palette. This, by every means, is a true neutral palette. I mean, I absolutely was in a dilemma whether these shades are going to show up on me or not, but man, oh man, am I a fan. I mean, the shimmers, the mattes, everything are absolutely stunning. I'll pop a picture of me wearing this eyeshadow palette. I mean, I absolutely love the way it turned out. And this is definitely turned into my everyday neutral palette. So I would highly recommend this. My AC just turned on, so sorry for that. The next eyeshadow palette that I have to recommend is from Alter Ego, and it is their Sahara palette. And this is duping the Natasha Denona Biba palette, which is $129. So if you guys were eyeing that eyeshadow palette like me, I mean, you will definitely not be disappointed with this. This is such an amazing everyday palette. I would say this is also their neutral palette in their collection. They have their cool tones, warm tones, so a mix of neutral, warm tone, cool tone shadows. This will definitely provide every kind of an everyday look, in my opinion. And this also comes with a huge mirror. So yeah, even the Going Coconuts palette also comes with a mirror. So you will definitely not be disappointed. And this is $16 in their website. If you are more into golds, I would also, so here also I'm combining 2 palettes together. So the other palette that I have to recommend is their Goddess palette. So sorry, their Goddess palette, which looks like this, and this dupes Natasha Denona's gold palette. Now, if you're more into those golds and bronzes, I mean, this is an absolutely stunning palette in my opinion. I actually on my eyes have another Alter Ego palette on my eyes, and it is Bloom's palette. If you've not seen that review, I will link it in the iCards above for you guys to check it out. But yes, talking about this palette, if you are into those greeny golds or deep browns, I mean, you will absolutely love this palette. These palettes are amazing dupes for Natasha Denona's expensive palettes. So yeah, do check it out if you haven't already. I personally do not have a code with them, but I generally do use Jen Phillips code, which is Gen 10, I believe. I will leave that in the description box below for you guys. So if you're planning on buying like 2 palettes together, definitely use their codes. Now the next palette that I have to talk about is on the high-end side, and it is Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. This is definitely glam in every sense. It's a very neutral, leaning towards cool tone palette, but I would say it's very neutral cool. If you are looking for a glam palette, I mean, you will definitely not be disappointed with this. I have also reviewed this palette on my channel. I will leave it in the iCards above or in the description box below for you guys. But these bronzes, these golds are like a chef's kiss. If you put it on your eyes, I mean, everybody will turn around and see what is on your eyes. That's the impact that these shadows create. I absolutely adore Anastasia's formulas, and this is no exception by any means. This is a limited edition eyeshadow palette, and when I am filming this is on a sale price in Ulta. I think it's going around like $32 for this. Their mascara, there's deluxe size eyeshadow primer. I think that's what the set is all about. I actually collected that set, and it comes in this gold. Yeah, I'll leave the review in the icons above if you guys want to check it out. But the last eyeshadow palette is also a limited edition eyeshadow palette. If you guys have this in your collection, bring it back on. Or if you do not have it in the collection, I know Beautylish still has it in their website, so I will link it in the description box below. And I'm talking about their Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. When I am looking for a neutral palette, this is definitely the palette that I go to. The neutrals in this palette are absolutely magical. The formula is breathtaking. These blend by itself, you do not have to work onto it. The shimmers are definitely a little more colorful, but it is not like in your face shimmers, but it gives such a great impact. But if you like take these two corners away, these two shadows away, this is an absolutely neutral everyday palette in my opinion, and I rock this palette every day of my life. So I absolutely would recommend this. And those were my top 5 everyday palettes in my collection. If you guys liked this type of video, please do give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!